Jack. They call me Jack Daddy. I like to build things. I figured I'd make some videos to show you guys how I build them. That's my rooster voodoo. Maybe you can learn some things. Maybe you can enjoy watching this stuff. Maybe you can build your own stuff. Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to show you how you can build a tee. So my son starts T-ball this year, and we were looking at tees, and they're expensive, and I can make one, you know. And I remember when I was little, my dad made some, and he made them out of like a bucket with concrete and PVC pipe, and then like a little tube on top. If you ever hit them, like hit the tee part instead of the ball, you know what I'm talking about? It just let it jar you. So we're gonna make one out of wood and aluminum, and then I got some of this tube from Lowe's, and since you buy it and it's all in like a circle. So what we did is we kind of put it on another piece of metal and then heated it up with the heat gun to try to get it straightened out so it'll hopefully stay straight. First thing we do is draw out our home plate. So home plate dimensions are 17 inches wide. They got 8.5 inches tall on each side, and then they go 12 inches to the point. So that's home plate. We're fixing to cut it out, and then we're gonna cut out some treated wood and put it on the bottom, just in case Ram leaves it outside, and maybe it won't rot as fast. And also give it just a little bit more weight to hold it right. And then this will be the bottom of the tee. We're gonna weld that on there, and then we've got little gussets that we're gonna weld onto the side like that. And then of course this tube will fit on top. Alright, so we're fixing to weld this up. We're gonna weld all those aluminum pieces, drill 4 holes, screw it onto our home plate, see what we got. One main thing to remember when you weld is you always want to make sure you got the proper gear, you know, like shorts and tennis shoes and short sleeve shirts when you weld. Not really, but it won't take long to weld, so check it out. Alright, so here is the finished product. We got our tube on there. It's pretty straight enough to hold a ball for sure. So what it is this tube comes to about right there. So this is just tight enough where you can slide it up and it'll stay right where you need to be. I mean, it's good enough you can pick it up. So you want it just tight enough where it'll stay. Slide it all the way up. So right about there will be about the highest it'll go. And that right there will be about the lowest. So it's got a good bit of motion. So you could always buy a bigger tube if you needed to. So, but you see you got plenty of flex with the tube if you hit it with the bat. So we're about to test this puppy out and see what happens. Piece of plywood from the shed, another piece of plywood from the shed, treated plywood, and then we got aluminum conduit, a piece of aluminum from the scrap yard, some aluminum gussets from the scrap yard, and then I bought this right here. It was like $3 a foot, I think. Yeah, so I got a foot of that, and these were about $2 for a 2-pack. So in this right here, I've probably got about $5 in. So awesome tee, $5, should last us until we're done with T-ball.